First-headed monster, your will is your admission ticket to probate court? Oh my. Oh, hey there folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from our Elder Law Care Center. Folks, today I'm going to answer that question, what a self-proving affidavit is in a will, or what is a self-proving will. Different terminology, pretty much means the same thing. So pull up your chair, get your pen out, your notebook, and let's learn. So think of your will as a formal legal document, okay? It states who you are, who's in charge after you're gone, when you go up to your cloud, okay? And who gets your stuff, okay? So with that will, it has to adhere to what they call formal legal requirements, different rules for different states. Here in Massachusetts, in the Commonwealth, it requires 2 disinterested witnesses, not uninterested witnesses. They have to be unrelated, but they have to be present or within a line of sight typically and see you pick up the pen and sign your will. Also, part of the will rules of engagement, you have to be 18 years of age or older, legal adult, and you have to possess what they call the legal testamentary capacity. You need to have all your marbles, so to speak. You have to possess sufficient cognitive capacity, know what you're doing, and know who's getting your stuff. And there's different rules that go along with that. And I'll be creating another video on the different criteria for a formal will. But today's video is what is a self-proving will or a self-proven affidavit. So think of your will as a formal legal document. Then think of that self-proving will or self-proving affidavit as an addendum or a cousin to the will. So it's typically not required here in the Commonwealth, but the self-proving affidavit is good practice to use. In fact, most wills that I review will have a self-proving affidavit. And what does a self-proven affidavit stand for? Well, it stands for this. It validates the will. It validates the legality of the will because the witnesses will also put their names on the self-proven affidavit. And typically that self-proving affidavit is notarized by the attorney or the person notarizing that will. So in the real world, what does it mean? Well, you may have learned from my book, The Four-Headed Monster on Amazon, or How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster, is that your will is your admission ticket to probate court. So when that will goes off to the probate court, the self-proven affidavit is going to assist the process because the self-proven affidavit validates the will and it shows the court and the judge that the will was adhered to with the formal requirements. So it alleviates the potential requirement or necessity for the court to reach out to the witnesses and ask them to come into the court to give testimony. Because a self-proven affidavit is basically saying, Your Honor, dear judge, this is a legal formal will. Us, the 2 witnesses, or in some states require more, were present during the signing of the will, and there's no need or requirement to contact us and ask us to come to the courthouse to give testimony that the will is valid. The person was over 18 years of age, they had sufficient testamentary capacity, they had all their marbles, etc., etc. So folks, there you have it. Self-proven affidavit or self-proving will is good practice to utilize. It should be used in conjunction or in support of the will because it validates the will. It's designed to avoid conflict. It's designed to make the process go more seamlessly with less issues or challenges. Folks, if you found this educational video here today helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, subscribe, follow us, and let us know what you would like to learn. If you'd like to learn more, folks, you can pick up a copy of my book on Amazon, How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning and Elder Law, or simply go to elderlawcare.com and you can pick up a copy of my book there because you will learn a lot. And you can also check out some of our other educational programs that I created. Folks, great seeing you here today at elderlawcare.com.